feeling?
Good.
Tired. So, where are you?
We are in Wellfleet. Wellfleet. No, we're past Wellfleet already. No, we are in Wellfleet.
And how many miles have you done?
We are at mile 63.77 on the second day, so 133.
Since lunchtime yesterday.
135. No, 138 miles.
Cool. And how are you feeling?
Tired. Now interview Lily.
All right, Lily. What mile are you on?
63, I think.
And how are you feeling?
Pretty tired.
How does your ass feel?
Really sore.
What's been the best moment so far?
I guess riding through Wellfleet was nice.
Yeah. What's been the worst moment?
The last 15 miles of yesterday.
Painful?
Yes.
How are the porta potties?
That's like the least of my worries.
All right. So what's your estimate in your time till Provincetown? 1 hour? All right. See you in P-Town in an hour.
Right, because we have 15 miles, right?
Pedal.
Came out.
Was that supposed to happen?
Yes.
Was there a big accident or?
No, there was no big accident. There was more like, Lily, stop. All right. Why?
Woo! 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 Lily!